So my name's Randy Pegg with Vanair Manufacturing. I'm the strategic manager for the Vanair multifunction products, and this is the latest of our multifunction product line. It's their Aaron Arc 330 diesel. It's there to run 1-inch impacts or run tools with. They need generator power to be able to run work lights and be able to recharge their cordless batteries and anything else that they might need power on the job site. And then there's always something that gets broke, so they need a welder to be able to fix it. Equipment on the job site goes dead, the batteries go dead, so we got battery boost and battery charge on this, right? So that we can increase the flexibility on the job site to be able to manage that, right? To be able to provide that. So that's why people buy a multifunction machine, is so that when you are on a construction job site, off-road, you've got all the tools that you need in one footprint. So instead of buying a separate generator, instead of buying a separate welder, instead of buying a separate compressor, and then carrying around a jump pack or some other device to start engines that are dead, this machine does it all. Okay, so one thing that we do with this is a rotary screw compressor, meaning that there's no air tank required on this. This is the only rotary screw compressor in this marketplace in a multifunction machine that doesn't require an air tank. There are other rotary screw compressors out there in multifunction products, but they actually require an air tank. Okay, so we got that. So we got a single point of access for all that power that we talked about. Okay, so this is your two 120s and a 240. This is where you're accessing your welder. We got some connectors on the bottom for the MIG, and then your DC charge and everything is all controlled. So you got one control panel instead of having multiples like some of the products that are on the marketplace have, right? You got one point here to be able to pull everything from, making it very convenient with one trunk line kit to be able to manage the power that you have in this. This is powered by a 24.8 Kubota diesel. It's an E4D, right, is the actual model to that. And then where John has this open here, right, is we're really happy with how we end up with the service side of this. So when it comes to maintaining this machine, you've got an engine oil drain, you've got a compressor oil drain, and then as you can see, all of your filters are all right here. Okay, so when it comes to maintenance of the equipment, it doesn't get any simpler than a single access point right there. Right? And then for hydraulics, because these machines will end up on a truck that's got a crane on it quite often, we're using our EPTO, which is an electric power takeoff. This actually will power off the DC side of the charger, right? And then this will power up to a 12,000 pound crane. It goes up to 12 GPM at 3,000 PSI is the reading on that, right? So this combination, right, can run any mechanic's truck, and then now we can practice idle management, right, and actually shut down our trucks, right, and be able to run power equipment on a job site, be able to run a crane on a truck, be able to actually, with our idle management, we can now actually cool the cab of the truck as well, right? We can bring in cab cooling and cab heating products, and it's all really being powered from